Hi, my name is Alejandro Rodriguez, and today I'm going to talk about the sea level rise in the city of Miami and the Everglades. Did you know that the Everglades National Park is the largest tropical wilderness in the United States? It is, in fact, the largest wilderness of any kind at the east of the Mississippi River. Right now, this environment is being threatened by the climate change. But this climate change is not only affecting the Everglades, it is actually affecting the whole state. That's why we will discuss about the sea level rise in the city of Miami and in the Everglades, the FIU Research Lab, and how this issue will be in the future. The Everglades National Park is the habitat of more than 100 different types of species. Right now, by the continuously rising on the levels of the sea, this environment is being threatened. Because of the continuously rising of the levels of the sea is making more and more pressure that is going underneath the Everglades and is replacing the fresh water that the Everglades produces by salinized water, which will create polluted swamps that will have with no nutrients for the plants and they will die. That will expand the diameter of the swamps and it will create polluted lakes. That will not help us to prevent the floodings and is going to increase and increase the floodings in not only the Everglades but also in the city. That's why also the Florida International University was concerned about this. So the FIU Research Lab, in alliance with the Institute of Water and Environment, they are creating and researching to create more and more experiments about this. Some of the experiments, it's to see, to do field management and to produce any different type of soil to see if they can, if the peak collapses or not. Most of the experiments with higher carbon dioxide on the soil, it will create that the peak will collapse. So they're trying to put less carbon dioxide on the peak so they can resist and it will prevent the swamps to expand. With that will help a lot and they're doing it right now. And this also will help a lot to the environment of the Everglades because they will close certain type of polluted lakes and then we'll start the restoration of those polluted lakes, but they will not span. What will happen if this issue will become, if we'll continue and we don't do anything? What will happen is that the polluted lakes will increase until the whole Everglades will be a big polluted lake. That actually will still expanding until it reaches to the city, and then all the city will be entirely underwater. Right now, they say that by 2050, Miami will be underwater. But what will happen if we stop this right now? It will be from great help to do this, to stop the polluted lakes, to stop drilling water out of the Biscayne aquifer, and then with the fresh water that has the Everglades produce, we'll have like a little couch for South Florida and will maintain us over the level of the sea. And with that will help us a lot. Thank you very much. Bye.